Simpol, luto na, ha.
Today we will be making homemade ice cream, and we are making a very fruity flavored ice cream, peach mango ice cream. Ito, I'm using peach, ito canned peach, and my mango. So yung mango ko, meron kong very ripe, and yung isa naman is not so ripe, so may maasim-asim pa. Kasi we want that sweetness, but we also like the tartness. So yung konting asim niyan, perfect balance. And I'm using sugar, so you can use just plain white sugar. You don't have to, but I like to add a little bit of glucose syrup. So ito siya is around 1/4 cup. If you have an ice cream maker, you can also use an ice cream maker. Pero yung gagawin natin, i-freeze na natin sa ating loaf pan. Yan. So, blend everything together. Yan, no? So, that's our fruit base. Yan. So, you have to blend it to the point that you are sure that the sugar is already dissolved. You don't want it to be grainy. That's our fruit base. I will just put that aside. To really have a very creamy ice cream, your ice cream or your cream has to have very high fat content to give it that very silky feel, no? So, what we do, we will be using Arla whipping cream, which is high stability. Yan, and I will just add it to my mixing bowl. Oh, tingnan mo ha. I chilled the bowl earlier. Ito, this one's chilled. Pero ito siya. Oh, I just have ice stuck here. Yan. And I will just add my whisk. And it's very important na your cream is also chilled, no? So this one I'm using around 2 cups. Yan. So all we have to do right now is to mix our cream, no? So eto, I'm just doing like a medium speed because we want it to be stable, no? That your cream remains silky, no? Hindi siya nagka-curdle, nagbuo-buo. Because that's what happens if you over-mix your cream. So you will notice that your cream is beginning to show ripples, no? Pag dumaan yung whisk mo, medyo nag-iiwan na siya ng konting parang shape, no? And that means you are nearing the right consistency of our cream. So now I will just turn off my mixer. Look at that. No. Look at that. No. Very nice cream. And I will just pour and incorporate my puree. Yeah. Yeah. You can like reduce this. You can add like caramel syrup or whatever, nuts. Fold. Pero when you fold, you have to be gentle when you're folding, not to deflate the cream. No? Be sure that everything's mixed properly, no? And it's also very light. And you notice, even if I mixed in my fruit puree, it's still fluffy, no? It's still stable. Yeah, so we'll just fill our loaf pan. Yan, and eto, I have diced fruit. It's just peach. Blend it in. You can add your nuts here. Eto, I'll put this in the freezer. Pero gumawa na kami ng one earlier. And we will make some candied pecans that you can use for topping. I will show you how to do it. It's very easy. Oh, so now we are making our candied pecans, which you can use to garnish your ice cream. And I have here white sugar, granulated sugar. Yan. And just a bit of water. And I have some pecans here. No? You can use walnuts, you can use peanuts, you can use whatever. But I will just chop them up. Just rough, not too fine. No? Gusto nating buo-buo siya. Just a little bit, probably just half or cut into 3. So we are allowing our, sugar to boil and melt. So once it starts to brown, it's gonna turn very dark and bitter very easily. Kaya very important na alalay ka talaga at this stage. Yan. Beautiful, no? Look at that nice color, nice amber color. Go a little bit darker. Now is the time you add your baking soda. Look at that, no? Mix everything. And, look, no? And our pecans. And we turn off the heat. Now, we add our butter. And salt, no? So, you see, it's very easy to combine everything because the baking soda loosens up the sugar syrup, no? Yan, and we spread it to our pan. No? So, ganito din gumawa ng peanut brittle spread. Kaya sobrang init, no? So, you might need even a pot holder to like spread it out. Yan, and we let that cool down. And our ice cream is ready. So, we already have a batch of ice cream. And I will just scoop out my ice cream. Very nice, very creamy. It's just homemade ice cream, no? And let's have our peaches, sliced peaches. And ito na siya, ang ating very nice candied pecans. And it's very crisp. Or we can chop it. No? Yan! So here it is, our peach mango ice cream with candied pecans. Sinful!